Hi, I'm JD, and this is a two-step linear equation problem. It's 13 equals negative 2 over 3 times x minus 2. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try this one on your own. Alright, what you want to do in a problem like this is you want to isolate the x. You want to get this x all by itself. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to do the opposite of order of operations. So you want to do addition subtraction first. First you want to get rid of this minus 2 since it's attached to the x, and you want to isolate this first and get rid of everything else that you can. Now, this is a minus 2, so subtraction. What's the opposite of subtracting? Adding. So you're going to add 2 to this side to cancel out. And remember, whatever you do on one side, you have to do the other side. Right? You have to share. You have to be fair. So whatever you do this side, you have to do the other side. So you add 2 to each side. This is going to cancel out because negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And 0 plus this is just this. Right? It's just a negative 2 over 3x. On this side, you get 15. Now, what you could do here is divide both sides off by that coefficient, but it's just too ugly. So the opposite of multiplying is multiplying by the reciprocal. Remember, when you divide fractions, you keep change flip. You flip the second fraction, right? And here you're going to do the same thing. You're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So you're going to multiply both sides by 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Now what happens here is this cancels out with this, right? Because you can cancel diagonally. This cancels out with this. If you don't believe me, when you multiply these, you're going to get positive 6 over positive 6. And positive 6 over positive 6 is just 1. So it ends up canceling it out. And by the way, this always works. If you have 2, the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2, right? Because you assume that it's over 1. And so you can always multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the coefficient. Always. So you have x on this side. Now, this is 15. To rewrite 15 as a fraction, you write 15 over 1. Then you just simply multiply across. Negative 3 times 15 is negative 45. And 2 times 1 is 2. Now, if you really wanted to, what you can do is take this and plug it into here. And let's do that. Let's check this. So it's 13 equals negative 2 over 3 times negative 45 over 2 minus 2. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start canceling things out. I'm going to cancel out things diagonally. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 2 once. Now both the 3 and the 45 is divisible by 3. So 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 45 15 times. Negative 5 times negative 1 times a negative 15 gives you a positive 15. So that's positive 15 minus 2, and that does equal 13. And so that's right. So with linear equations, if you want to check your work, all you have to do is plug it into the original. And that's it.